Hi everyone, Jaquez here, back again with some fresh insights and walkthroughs. In this video, we're going to take a look at Calendly's embed options. Now, what is this feature? Whether you're managing a personal brand or running a business, Calendly's embed options are versatile tools designed to integrate your Calendly scheduling page directly into your website. So this means that visitors can book appointments or meetings with you without the need to navigate away from your site, providing a seamless experience. Calendly offers a variety of ways for embedding your scheduling page onto your website, such as inline embed, pop-up widget, pop-up text. Now let's dive into these features and take a deeper look. Each embed option comes with its unique benefits and can be tailored to your specific needs. For this demo, I'm going to use Google Sites as the central location for me to embed my code. Now, if you're using different web software, no worries. Please visit our help center at help.calendly.com and locate the guide that fits the software that you are using. Now, we have a variety of guides available to assist you in embedding your scheduling page to different platforms. To begin, we have the inline embed. Now, this feature allows you to add your scheduling page directly onto your website. But before we dive into the specific embed options, let's discuss the difference between embedding your event type and embedding your entire Calendly page. Now, this section right here will be the section for you to embed your particular calendar event type. Now, this allows you to provide a direct way for visitors to schedule that specific event type. Now, this is useful if you have a specific event that you want to highlight, or if you want to limit the scheduling options available to a visitor. Now, on the other hand, when you embed your entire Calendly page, which is over here, selecting this gear icon and then selecting add to website, you're providing visitors with a view of all your available event types. Now, this allows visitors to choose the event type they want to schedule, giving them more flexibility and options. Now, remember, the choice between the two depends on what works best for your scheduling needs and the user experience you want to provide. Now, I'm going to embed my specific event type. Now, to get things started, we're going to select the share button here, and then we're going to go over to add to website. Now, the first option we're going to put on our website is inline embed. Select continue. And now we're presented with the various options and customizations that we can place on our specific embed. Now, one thing you can do is you can hide the event details for your embed in the cookie banner by selecting these checkboxes here. As soon as you select those checkboxes, right, you'll see the code readjust to your new desired goal. Now, I'm going to leave these present on mine for testing purposes. Now, you also have the ability to update or to change the background color. Now, let's just say that your company brand is white, black, and blue. You can customize the background color, the text color, the button and link color to match your brand guidelines. Now, once you have all of your settings selected, you're going to then select copy code, and we're going to take that code and embed it to our site. Now we want to locate the location on our website that we want to input our inline embed. I'm going to put it right below this setting or this option here. And I'm going to select the embed button. We're going to go embed code. We're going to paste that code there. Select next, and we're able to preview what it's going to look like before it is added to our site. It looks exactly how I want it to look. And then we're going to select insert. And as you can see, it's right below the inlet embed option. Now, once you have it there, let's customize it. Let's do this layout a little bit better because I want it to show the fullness of that booking page. And then if we select publish here, once we go to our actual test page, we're able to see our inline embed positioned perfectly on our website. Beautiful. Now, transitioning from inline embed, let's now take a look at the pop-up widget. Now, this option, it adds a button to your site that when clicked opens up your scheduling page in a pop-up window. So we're going to follow the steps previously as we did before. We select the share button for our event type. We're now presented with these options. Now we're going to select pop-up widget, continue, And look at this section here. We're now presented with a new option of how we can customize this particular button. So we can change the text, and I'm going to put Calendly meeting, click here, and you can get as customizable as you want with this text. You're then also presented with the ability to change the background color, the text color, and of course the booking page settings to hide specific areas of your booking page. I'm going to leave these as is and select copy code. Now we're going to head back to our site and embed this code. Now that we're back, let's locate the section we want to add this pop-up widget in. I want it to be right below this section here. So we're going to select embed, embed code. We're going to paste our code there and select next. See what the preview looks like. We see our button is appearing with the text that we want. Then we're going to select insert. And now we see our button has been added to our intended location that we want on our website. So we're going to stretch it out because we want to make sure that the container that the booking page appears in gives it enough space for it to display. We're going to select publish. And then we're going to head to our site to preview it live. Refresh the page. And now we will be able to see our pop-up widget right below, and it's looking beautiful. When we select it, we should see our booking page here. Okay, so it's exactly what we want to see. Perfect. Finally, let's dive into the pop-up text option. Now, this is similar to the pop-up widget. This option creates a text link that opens your scheduling page in a pop-up window when clicked. Now, to do this, we're going to head back to our Add to Website option and then select pop-up text. Continue. Now you're also, just like the button, presented with the ability to customize the text that appear within the link. So we're going to do something different here. Let's do Calendly text, click here. Let's keep that bold. And then you're also presented with the booking page setting options to customize those specific areas. I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm going to copy the code. Now that I have the code, we're going to head back to my website and add that code in. Now let's locate the location. We want to add this code. We're going to do it right below pop-up text. Select embed, embed code, and we're going to paste that code there and select next. As you can see, the text appears. This is exactly how it's going to appear once we add it in there. We're going to select insert so we can preview that. And then we're going to publish this so we can see our updated site live. And now we're going to scroll down to locate our pop-up text, which is here. Now let's test it out. We're going to see that our booking page comes up. And now we have another way for our clients and invitees to book a session with us. Integrating Calendly directly on your website streamlines the scheduling process, making it ultra convenient for your visitors. Now, this seamless integration not only enhances user experience, but also boosts your lead generation and client management efforts. It's a game changer for businesses and professionals aiming to simplify their appointment booking process. Now, to maximize the benefits of Calendly's embed options, consider customizing the look to match your brand, adjust your colors, the text, and even the availability displayed to ensure that it aligns with your website's aesthetics. For those who are tech savvy, delve into the developer embed code for deeper customization, such as pre-filling the booking form with user data or controlling the embed's visibility based on user actions. These advanced tweaks can significantly enhance the user experience on your site. If you'd like to learn more about these features, I highly recommend visiting our Help Center for more detailed guides and resources. Remember, the link to the Help Center is included in the description below. That's it for me. We've covered a lot today on embeds and how you can use these features to level up your customer experience. I hope these tips help you streamline your scheduling process. Remember, if you have any questions about Calendly features, drop them in the comments below, or you can check out our Help Center, which is also linked in the description below. While you're here, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with those who would find it useful. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into Calendly features. Until then, happy scheduling.